Eskute RTX Electric Dirt Bike Review and Assembly Guide. Is it worth buying? If you're looking for a powerful electric dirt bike for off-road riding, the Eskute RTX definitely stands out. But with its high power and dirt bike style design, is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Eskute RTX is built around a 72-volt, 30Ah battery and a powerful electric motor with up to 6,500 watts of peak output. Eskute claims a top speed of over 53 miles per hour and up to around 70 miles of range. Although real-world range will depend on factors like speed, rider weight, terrain, and riding conditions. For off-road riding, the RTX comes with large 19-inch front and 17-inch rear tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and full hydraulic suspension. These features are important because they provide better control and help the bike handle rougher terrain. The bike also includes front and rear lighting, turn signals, a digital display, and a removable style battery system designed around the large 72-volt pack. With a weight of roughly 148 pounds, however, this is a heavy machine, so transporting it or moving it without power isn't going to be easy. Assembly is required after delivery. Depending on the package, you'll need to install and secure components such as the handlebars, wheels, controls, and other parts. Because this is a high-powered vehicle, it's important to carefully check the brakes, steering, wheels, and fasteners before riding. If you're not comfortable assembling it yourself, professional inspection is a sensible choice. The biggest advantages are its powerful motor, large battery, hydraulic braking system, full suspension, and off-road focused design. On the other hand, its weight, high power, and road use restrictions in some areas may make it unsuitable for casual riders or regular commuting. Overall, the Eskute RTX is best suited to experienced adult riders who specifically want a powerful electric dirt bike for off-road use. If you're looking for a simple city e-bike, this is probably more machine than you need. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Eskute RTX.